kasama ko na. Ano pala yun? Siya, kasi magkupeso dito bukas. Tapos ito yung binasa ko yung last episode. Ano na, 2 days yata yun. Hindi ako nakapagpasa ng vibe. Sobrang, hindi naman mahirap. Parang mas sinuuna ko yung mas masaya. Ayun. Listing. Hindi sabi siya. Ito, sabi ko nga lang ko na. Ito yung ito pala yung guide. Ngayon, binasa natin hanggang ba yun? Genesis 3. Genesis 3. Alam ko ang ganda dito eh. Hanggang Genesis 3. Basahin natin. Ito, galing po sa tita ko. Two, nanay, tatay. Boy pa ko medyo Then we drown in by wine, that is dissipation, or or read Ephesians. Tignan natin ito. Ephesians 5:18. Napin natin guys. Ephesians, wait lang. Kasi natin ito. Dito lang nabasa. Ephesians. Uy, di ko na mabasa. Wala pang Ephesians. Huh? Ito. Ephesians nabasa niya. 5. 1 pa lang. Five, 2. Yun. So, basahin natin. Ito na guys, the first book of Moses. Ang dati self ko tayo. Ngayon, nakikita ko pa sana. Period ako. Mas, siyempre, nagbabasa po talaga sila ng bati. Yung napapanood ko. Mas, inuuna po yung yung Diyos. Sunod po si Jesus. Dasal muna tayo guys. Samahan niyo ako. Aming Panginoong Diyos, gumawa ng langit at lupa, at si Jesus na nagpatawad sa amin ng kasalanan at namatay sa krus. Maraming salamat sa mga araw na lumipas na binibigyan niyo po kami ng pagkakataon para magbago, para ibigay ang buhay para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po kanya. At alam ko po, tinutulungan niyo po kami mas magbago at mas madaming matulungan. patawarin niyo po ako sa mga sala po namin. Maraming salamat po ako at tawag dito. Kaya din na po ako sa hindi, at din na ako tawag dito. Yung nag-aalala, yung sana po, bantayan niyo po kami. Hindi na po ako magagano. Kasi yung tawag ko dun ay fear. At nung napanood ko po, yung fear daw po ay galing sa devil. So, yun na. Basahin natin Genesis 1. The history of creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. 3. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light that it was so good. And God divided the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. So the evening and the morning were the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Then God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of water." Then thus God made the firmament and divided the water which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. It was so. Firmament. Ano yan? Ito pala. God called the firmament heaven. So the evening and the morning were the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry let the dry land appear," and it was so. Wait lang. So, heaven. Kasi sabi dito, thus God made the firmament and divided the earth which were under the firmament from the waters. Hindi ulap heavens to? Heavens? Hindi. Heavens nga. Total langit. Wait lang. Siguro magre-research ako tungkol sa next episode. O kaya bukas. Hanapin ko kung ano tong nasan yun? Then God made the firmament and divided the water which were under the firmament from the water which were above the firmament. And it was so. God called the firmament heaven. So evening and the morning were the second day. So, picture lang. So, yeah. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters He called seas. And God saw that it was so good. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb that yields seed, and the fruit tree that yields fruit according to its kind, whose seed is in itself on the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass, and the herb that yields seed according to its kind, and the tree that yields fruit whose seed is in itself according to its kind. And God saw that it was so good. Ganda naman talaga eh. Oh, oh. Boom. Ganda. Ito ang katabi ko halaman. Ganda. So the evening in the morning were the third year. Then God said, "Let there be light in the firmament of the heavens to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and season and for days and years." Wait lang. Ano to? Let there be light in the firmament of the heavens. Firmaments of heaven ang tawag sa ulap. Okay, I understand. Then God said, "Let there be light in the firmament of the heavens to divide the day from the night, and let there be signs in the season and for days and years, and let them be for lights in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth." And it was so. Then God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made stars also. God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light on the earth, and rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was so good. So the evening and the morning were the fourth day. Then God said, "Let the waters abound with an abundance of living creature, and the birds flying above on the earth across the face of the firmament of the heaven." So God created great sea creature and every living things that moves, with which the waters abounded according to their kind, and every winged word according to its kind. And God saw it was so good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the water in the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth." So the evening and the morning were the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creature according to its kind, cattle and creeping things, and beasts of the earth, each according to his kind." And it was so. And God made the beasts of the earth according to its kind, cattle according to its kind, and everything that creeps on the earth according to its kind. And God saw that it was so good. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the air, and over the cattle, over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth." Okay, so, ginawa tayong hindi naman pinakamalakas. Ito, parang sinabi dito, huwag kayong matakot. Kasi mas malakas tayo kaysa sabi naman Lord. That I think mas malakas tayo sa animal. Okay. So God created man in his own image, in the image of God. He created him, male and female. He created them. Then God blessed them, and God said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth, subdue it, have dominion over the sea, over the birds of the air, over every living that moves on the earth." And God said, "See, I have given you every herb that you see, which is on the face of all the earth, and every tree whose fruit yields seed to you, and shall be for food. Also to every beast of the earth, to every bird of the air, and to everything that creeps on the earth, and which there is left I have given every green herb for food. And it was so. Then God saw everything that he had made. Indeed, it was very good. So the evening and the morning were the sixth day. Thus the heaven and the earth and all the hosts of them were finished. And on the seventh day God ended his work which he had done. And he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had done. Then God blessed the seventh day and I mean, sanctified it, because in it he rested from all his work which God had created and made. This is the history of the heavens and the earth when they were created in the day that the Lord God made the earth and the heaven. Before any plant of the field was in the earth, and before any herb of the field had grown, for the Lord God has not caused into rain on the earth, and there was no man to fill in care, but a mist went up from the earth, and watered the whole face of the ground. And the Lord God created from the man of the dust of the ground, and breathed into his seed natural renewed of life. The man become a living. Wait lang guys. Gusto ko na ilaw, madilim na. So guys, wala. Nagpala kasi ako yung na maingay pag nagbabasa ng bahay. Sige, tayo. Layo na. Okay, bye. The Lord God planted a garden eastward in the Eden, and there he put man whom he had formed. And out of the ground the Lord God made every tree grow that is pleasant to see, to the sight, and good for food. The tree of life was also in the image of the God, and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Now a river went out Eden to water the garden, and from there it parted and became four rivers. The name of the first is Pishon. It is the one which is called Wolan Habia, where there is gold. The name of the river is Hiddekel. It is one goes toward the east of us. Assyria. The first river is Ephraim. Ito yung yung may binaon siyang dalawang angel yata yun. Then the Lord God took the man and put him in the garden of Eden, tend and keep it, and the Lord commanded the man, saying, of every tree of the garden you may freely eat, but of the tree of knowledge of good and evil you shall not eat. In the day that you eat, you surely die. And the Lord God said, it is not good that man should be alone. I will make him a helper comparable to him. Out of the ground the Lord God formed every beast of the field and every bird of the air, and brought them to Adam to see what he would call them. And whatever Adam called in each living creature, that it was its name. So Adam gave name to all cattle, to the birds, and to every beast of the field. But for Adam there was not found a helper compatible with him. And the Lord caused a deep sleep to fall Adam, and he slept, and he took one his rib and closed him flesh in its place. Then the rib of which of Lord God had taken from him made into a woman, and he brought to them. And Adam said, this is now my bones of my bones, and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called a woman, because what take of man. Therefore a man shall leave his father and become mother, and be joined with his son, and they shall become one flesh. And they were both naked, the man and his wife, and were not ashamed. So guys, ayun lang. Kita-kits bukas. Sa tingin ko guys, gagawa ko ng ano, tawag dito. Vlogger. Mag-vlog ako, testing ko mag-vlog. Kasi gagawa din ako gaming channel, mga ganon-ganon. Pero, ito unahin ko, syempre. Tigis ko pa yan, oh. Salamat. Sana meron kayong tutunan at sana samahan niyo ako sa mga journey ko. Ambot kay God. Thank you.